Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the RelyMD Telehealth app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. RelyMD is a telehealth service that allows users to connect with licensed medical providers for urgent care needs anytime, directly through their phone. The app is designed to give quick access to doctors through video visits, helping users get treatment recommendations, prescriptions when appropriate, and medical guidance without needing to visit a clinic. It's available on both iOS and Android and is often used by individuals, families, and organizations for convenient virtual healthcare. The app's main feature is its on-demand video consultation system. Users can request a visit, get connected to a provider quickly, and discuss symptoms in real time. RelyMD can help with common conditions like colds, allergies, minor infections, skin issues, and more. The platform also stores visit summaries and allows follow-up care for certain cases, making the experience smoother and more organized. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its fast doctor response time, the convenience of avoiding clinic queues, and the ability to get help late at night or during travel. The app is also useful for families needing quick care for children or those who want professional advice without waiting days for appointments. However, there are some drawbacks. RelyMD may not support every region, and availability can vary depending on provider schedules. Some users report longer wait times during busy hours. In addition, it may not handle complex conditions that require physical tests or in-person examination. Costs can also vary depending on insurance partnerships and visit type. In summary, the RelyMD app may be worth using if you want quick, convenient access to certified medical providers for common health issues or urgent care needs. However, if you require specialized treatment or prefer in-person evaluations, it might not replace traditional healthcare services for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.